Hi, this is Mark from Wiki Design. In this quick spline tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can move the pivot position on your 3D models. As you can see right here, this is just a 3D model that I imported from Spline. And you can see right here on the left that this is already in one big group with, the cap and the body and everything. So in order for you to be able to move your pivot point right here, what you need to do is actually have everything inside of a group, and then you can move it. So this example is real easy. What you need to do is just highlight the group right here. And on a Windows, you just hold down the Alt key. If you're on a Mac, you hold down the Option key and you just click once. So when you do that, nothing looks like it's going to change. But now what you can do is you can see this little box right here in the middle. That means you can move your pivot point. So now you can go ahead and just move that, let's say, down to the bottom. And then once you're done with positioning, your pivot point, you just click back here and that's it. So now you can see that the pivot point is down on the bottom. So now if I need to rotate the bottle like at the bottom right here, that's how it's going to work. Now let me just show you a quick example if you have a couple models and you don't quite know how to group it. So I'll just show you how to do that really fast. So let's go ahead and just add, let's say, a star right here like this. And let's go ahead and just add a triangle. So let's just do something really simple like this. So as you can see right here, if you want to be able to have both of these items together and let's say have the pivot point more in the middle, what you need to do is select both of these objects. So in this situation, triangle and the star. And what I like to do is just right click and click this button where it says group selection. So now when you do that, in most cases, it should add the pivot point in the middle. But let's say we want to go ahead and just move that down. So just like I said before, on Windows, hold down Alt. On Mac, you hit the Option key and then click. And now I can move this down here. And then what's good is you can also move your camera. So I'm holding down Alt and clicking. So now you can go ahead and move your pivot point in any direction you want. So if I want to have it more in the front like that, you can do that. And that's it for this quick spline tutorial. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and hit that bell to receive notifications when I release new tutorials like this. Again, this is Mark from Wiki Design.